Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Xiaomi is planning to introduce 3 new devices in the Mi 10T series, and that is going to be the Mi 10T Lite, the Mi 10T and the Mi 10T Pro variants. The two variants will be coming with the 5G support, both the vanilla and the Pro variant of the devices. Spec sheet has also been surfaced, and along with that, the render images has been leaked for both the devices. The key difference will be that the vanilla variant will come with a 64 megapixel of camera, while the Pro option will come with a larger 108 megapixel of a camera sensor. The other difference according to the spec sheet is that Mi 10T Pro will have a 256 gigs of storage option in addition to 128 gigs that will be available on both the phones. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the Mi 10T Pro 5G variant and tell you about what's my opinion regarding both of these devices. So before going into the video, if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it for more updates. So first we are going to discuss about the display. Well, according to the render images, if you look at very closely, you will notice that it is coming with a modern look design, a punch hole camera cutout present on the top left corner of the device, and also it is coming with a small bezel around the edges, and there is going to be a small chin on the bottom of the device. The front facing camera is going to be coming with a 20 megapixel of a selfie camera, and along with that it is coming with a 6.67 inch of IPS LCD panel. One of the important highlight of the device is going to be the 144 Hz of refresh rate, makes the Mi 10T Pro and the Mi 10T as one of the few devices which are coming with such a big 144 Hz of refresh rate. The front is also protected with a Gorilla Glass Fright protection as well. While moving on towards the back side, it's coming with a triple camera setup in a square camera bump, and you will notice that there is going to be a large camera sensor on the back side of the device along with two other camera sensors. This design is pretty much looking similar to the Vivo X50, which has a gimbal support inside, and there are certainly many leaks which are confirming that we might see a gimbal support inside the 108 megapixel of a camera sensor on the Mi 10T Pro. With that being said, the other cameras are going to be a 13 megapixel of an ultra wide camera and a 5 megapixel of a macro shooter. Only one camera is going to be the main highlight, is the 180 megapixel camera sensor, which is coming with an optical image stabilization support inside. The back is also protected by Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Internally, the device is going to be coming with a Snapdragon 865 chipset inside, and that is going to be a good option, has been chosen by Xiaomi because it will provide you a flagship level of a performance inside the device. Not only your gaming improve, but also the heavy task will be performed better. Also, the 108 megapixel camera sensor will be performs better in the autofocus and overall processing of the images which are going to be taken in that. So I personally think this is going to be a thumbs up for the Xiaomi team. Next in the list is going to be an 8 gigs of RAM inside the device, and that is coming with a DDR5 RAM, which is going to be a faster RAM because DDR4 RAMs are slower as compared to DDR5 RAMs. Next we will find two storage options. One is going to be 128 gigs and the other one is 256 gigs of internal storage, and their storage is based on UFS 3.1. Battery wise, the device is coming with a 5000 milliamp of battery capacity with a 33 watt of fast charging support inside, and that can charge your device pretty much quickly in about 1.5 hours of a time frame. The other connectivity option you will find out is going to be a USB-C, dual SIM, a Wi-Fi support, and an IR blaster. There is going to be no headphone jack according to the spec sheet which has been leaked. Lastly is going to be the price tag of the device. Well, it's not yet been confirmed what kind of a price tag this device is going to be launched, but it's my assumption that on average we might see this device around about between 550 to 700 euros of a price tag. Overall, I personally think that this device is going to be a better choice for you guys because it's going to provide you a good decent display of a device, a better battery capacity, a better camera sensor, and also it is coming with a lower price tag, which is going to be a good option for all those guys who are looking a flagship level device with a good price tag. So tomorrow is going to be the Mi 10T series unveiling date, and we will see what this device is capable of. So guys, what do you think about this particular device? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.